Maybe working with an Excel sheet, having a bunch of documents like this, of which you are supposed to scroll down so that you can search for a certain data. But unfortunately, you can see the data in a heading have also scrolled up and they have hidden. You cannot easily access or understand which data is in which column of which you need. Therefore, what you're supposed to do, you have to freeze pane. When you freeze pane, it means you have a choice to freeze whether a column or a row of which you need it to remain static without moving. What you have to do is go to your data table and then click down below the row that you want to freeze. For instance, myself, I want to freeze this heading, the header row, which is colored in yellow. Therefore, after clicking to the below cell, you have to move to the view tab. When you come to the view tab here, you will see freeze pane. In the freeze pane, once you click it, you will find the various options here, but because we want to freeze the top row of this document, directly we have to choose the freeze top row. As after clicking the freeze top row, you will see a line or a marginal line appears here. Your top row has already been frozen, and even when you try to scroll up, you see that the top row is still remaining static. Therefore, that is an easy way. Not only that, you can also decide to freeze the two-sided, I mean the row as well as the column at the same time. Therefore, first of all, you have to unfreeze so that to undo the first freezing which you have done and move to the next column from the first column that you want it to remain static. Then follow the same steps, go to the freezing pane. After doing that, you have to select the first option, which is freeze pane. When you freeze pane, the first option, you will find that both column and row have been frozen. And when you try to scroll up, you will see the header row remain static. And also, when you move to the left like this, you can also see the first column that contains names has also been frozen. That's an easy way on how you can freeze the row or column of your document. Thank you.